Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about the basics of painting in Photoline. I've created a blank canvas here by going to File and selecting New, then New Picture. And if you want to paint onto your canvas, all you have to do is come over here to this icon right here. It says Painting, and if you hold down, you'll notice you've got 4 different icons. I'm going to leave it on the paintbrush right now and go ahead and just paint a line there. And if you notice, when you paint with each of these, they each have a different texture to them. If I select chalk, it's got a kind of a grainy look, and the same thing with charcoal, but it's more black there. But I'm going to go ahead and switch back to my paintbrush. And up here on the top left, underneath Tool Settings, here you can change the intensity of your brush as well. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and put that back. But if you want to change the color of your brush, all you have to do is come right here to where it says Foreground, Background Color, and click the arrow there. And you can select from a bunch of different colors. You can also select Palette, Text, and Blends, and these give you a whole bunch of different options and ways to select your color. I'm going to select a red. When I paint there, it's going to be red. Also, if you want to change the color and the shape of your brush, if you come down here underneath Active Brush and select the arrow there, you get a whole bunch of different options here, and these are different types of brush sizes and textures that you can use. I'm going to choose a star there, and when I paint, it's going to give me a star texture. Also, if you double click over top of your active brush, you can create a brush of your own. You can come in and fine tune exactly how your brush is, so you can play around with that if you want. And if you want to erase what you've done, all you have to do is come up here to the eraser tool and select that and erase that there, and you've got the same options with the eraser tool as you do with the paintbrush tool. So that's how you paint in Photoline.